Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover your email password without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. This idea unfortunately has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that he is not in a position to reset his password because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone, so that easily he can reset. And when he goes to a reset, then he's having this kind of the problem. So just we will approach alternative options to recover it. See, here is asking a password. He doesn't have a password. He doesn't have a last password also. Now here is a thing that it may take a few moments, etc. That on this particular needs to verify some things. We don't have actually phone and device so that he can. So now here is a thing that possibility that is answer as many questions as we can, and second is that use a device where we have the sign in before, and the third is that if your account is managed with a family link, so then we have the send emails to your parents to change your password. Through all options we quit here, and we would like to have the more options to recover this account. So can I get? Yes, this can be the possible. We will cut it from here, and upon of course we will come in a Play Store. In the Play Store we will have to download this Opera browser with AI. So see here, now it has started to download, so let's download it. So it's downloading. On the other hand, of course, we have two changes that is very crucial. The first and foremost, we will have to come on a space in this Z browser, hold it, and of course we will tap on it. Now we will tap on a notifications, make it off, then we will back one more time, and here we'll have the permission navigate the locations to make it the precise location off. So we will tap on it, and thereupon of course we will click here to the precise location off, and thereupon of course we will tap to the clicks don't allow any way. So just tap on it, and thereupon what we will do here, guys, now we will back here. Now one more time we will have to back, and of course we will click on a open by defaults. Open by defaults you will have an enable. So here check it out in that how many verified link is that. So here click on 4-5 times, and then of course we will make it off. Now here we will cut it from here. The one change is mode we need yes on a Chrome, because as we know that Chrome is also product of especially Google. So now we will tap on this notification, make it off, and thereupon of course we will back, and after coming on here click on a permission. In the permission what we have to do here, just click on a location. Notification already we have done off, so just we will click on here, make it the precise location off, click on here. So it's a thing that if you deny this permission, the basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. For timing I'm doing it, so we will have to do, guys, here we'll back, and we will check it out in the notification. It's off already, so that's okay. Now we will back, and here is the downloadings. Yes, in this Opera browser. So let's see how many percentage it has been downloaded, and how much more it would be downloaded. Here we will have to wait for 60%. It's sorry, 30% is more because it's taking a little bit time. Let's see. Yes, we will have to wait here. Just simply by entering the special emails, of course the password would be recovered. I will show you. We will get more and more options to the recover. So we have a limited option, especially on Google and Chrome. So in a case your device is lost, yes, you don't know password, in case forgot password, lost password, hijacked, hacked your email password, of course in a situation this tutorial will be very beneficial to achieve or get it back or recover your email. So now see, almost it has been installed. So we will cut it from here, and now we will have to come on especially hold this Chrome browser, and yes, we will click on here. We will have to wait on. Check it out that yes option is given, but no, here is not coming, especially Opera browser. So we will have to wait here. Let it complete installation, and thereupon of course we will go for here. So now it has been installed, and of course now we will back here. So now it's installing, and after all, now see here it will be completed, and then of course we will go for further. So let's open here now, and we will tap on it. So see, it has been now installed here. Just we will type in a search bar. Yes, tab. Just people pick this Google Help options. Now when we tap on a Google Helps, then what will happen, guys, here this page will be open. So of course we will tap on this first link here, Google Help, and now we can see it's related to a Gmail recovery. So of course we will tap on it, and now here we will have a especially account recovery option, how to recover this account. So when we tap on it, and then we will have the one page that is a special arrow types account recovery. Tap on it. So now here we'll have to type in this particular ID. So let's see. We'll go for next here, guys. When we tap on a next, what will happen? It's asking password. We don't have a password, guys, here. Now of course we will go for here, try another way. No, it's asking now phone number. See, the more option is coming here. Just we will click here, don't have. Now here is a thing. So the more tips to recover these accounts. Here is having one more. We will pick this one, and of course we will go for further to recover these accounts. And if you are having this option that more tips to recover these accounts, means definitely you will be able to recover this account. But don't click on try again. Yes, we will go with the special alternative option. So we will cut it from here and tap on a setting, guys. So let's see now. You will have in each smartphone, so there is a Google preference and services or Google services available. Just we will click on here, three dot, and we will have to pick a help option once. That's all. Here is especially concern your Gmail account. So of course in this option is a crucial that we will have to elect here. Here is especially you think someone else is using this account. So we have elected this one. So now here you will have options that secure these accounts files. When we secure these accounts, then see we will go here. Just to click on there. Review your account activities, and here we can see find out if your account has been hacked. One thing more also I would like to show you here. What are the device is login on particulars in this device, and this can be also recover the which device you use this account by this option. So here just we will click on these options and find out if your account has been hacked, and here we will have a special MU recovery page. Here tap on it, and simply, guys, here we will have to type on this particular ID, and now see what we will have to do. Just to click on a next. Now see here what do you say. Yeah, we have to do nothing. Just don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be a trap in its verify your option. So here just we will have to click on a change the password. When we tap on a change the password, what will happen, guys, here? Just simply we'll have the strong opportunity to create the strong password, confirms a new strong password, and change it. After changing, guys, we will have to go in especially on these options, and here is options that yes, manage your accounts recovery. When we click on a manage your accounts recovery, then what will happen, guys, here? Yes, easily this ID can be recovered. How? Just after adding there, what will happen? Yes, here firstly you will have an options to add there manage your Gmail accounts, and thereupon we will go in a special security. In security we will add their recovery email first, and after adding the recovery email first, then yes, by having the recovery email OTP, we can remove the recovery number and we can add a new recovery number, so that this will be fully secured, and whenever we would like to reset, this can be recovered. So right now this is all about in this video tutorial. I have screen that we cannot create a strong password here, guys. Yes, we will have to deliver in this, I'm sending my viewers. So this is all about in this video tutorial. To know more, much more inquiries, and then of course I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye. To know more information, yes, please like, subscribe and share this content. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then of course share this content also. So maybe beneficial for someone who is highly worried or anxiety, having especially about this, especially or about his, especially Gmail password recovery. Then yes, by this is done. This can be. So this is all about. So thank you very much indeed.